Travis with MTFI. So to look at home defense or a scenario there of, oh, let's get a shotgun because it's easier than the pistol, requires less skill, things like that. You hear those out there all the time. Or just the sound of racking the slide is going to deter somebody if they enter your house. So just a consideration with the shotgun is that you do have to aim it. Okay, just to dispel the rumor. Today I've got this loaded up with buckshot. We'll try a couple different ranges. Now this is a Ruger TAC-14. Any other weapon, it's not a short-barreled shotgun, no stock, but I'll show you that it really doesn't open up that much, even with buckshot. So you still have to do some rudimentary aiming. So from 7 yards, I'll do one shooting from the hip, aiming at the target, or at least aiming it directly. Then I'll start bringing it up and presenting it, and we'll kind of see what happens and how much it opens up. So just as a useful demo, so there is still some skill required with the shotgun. Okay, so this is at 7 yards. I'm going to aim using a technique we teach in class where I'm holding it out and I'm ready. Okay. So just indexing off the hip just to show. I was high. Okay, just to show you that. Now, that's wider than a fist. Okay, but aiming at his head, I missed. Okay, that's without aiming. I'll come back and I'll do one raising it up and using the bead, just so you can see. So still hard, still high. All right. Again, I'm learning this little guy, so it's a really good thing to do. If you have one of these, I was still high, so I need to aim lower in order to get our printing in. Anytime you're shooting a shotgun, if you're going to do it for home defense, come out and pattern, see where your rounds are landing. Okay. And we'll back up further and I'll try to aim it. Okay, so from about 15. Okay. A little bit better, but you can see that these would have gone outside of our target. Those would be traveling through the walls of the house and probably outside to my neighbor. And just to finish off what I've got for buckshot in here, we'll do up close. Try to get my pattern to fall within the A zone. That's it. And for giggles, we'll do a couple slugs. So aiming a slug, now I've got one. Again, I'll try to aim it. There we go, right through the center. Go for a slug to the head. Okay. But just to show you, this doesn't make it that much easier. Okay, obviously if I had a stock, it would be, but I want you to think about that it still requires some skill with aiming and some technique to get your rounds to go where they need to go with a shotgun. So you do have to aim a shotgun, okay? All right, and that's all for today.